In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly find your license number in QuickBooks Online. Even though QuickBooks Online doesn't literally call it a license number, the equivalent you'll need is called your company ID. This is the identifier support teams often ask for when verifying your account, so knowing exactly where to find it will save you time and frustration. First, open QuickBooks Online in your web browser and sign in to your account. Make sure you use your usual credentials and choose the correct company if you manage more than one. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen for the small gear icon. This gear is the hub for your settings and account details, so it's the quickest way to reach the information you need. Click the gear icon to open the menu. In the panel that appears, look for the option labeled Additional Information. Go ahead and click that. This will open a compact window or side panel that summarizes details about your account. It's designed to surface key information in one place without making you dig through multiple pages. Inside the Additional Information section, you'll see a line labeled Your Company ID. That is the value you're after. Think of it as the unique identifier for your QuickBooks Online company. It's the number you'll share with support if they ask for your license number or account ID, and it helps them pull up your records quickly and accurately. Once you've found it, copy or write it down. If you're on a computer, highlight it and use your standard copy shortcut so you can paste it into a secure note. If you prefer, you can simply jot it down somewhere safe. A quick tip: consider saving it in a secure password manager or a protected document so you can access it easily in the future. Avoid emailing it or posting it anywhere public, since it's tied to your account. That's all there is to it. You opened QuickBooks Online, clicked the gear icon in the top right, selected Additional Information, located Your Company ID under that section, and then copied or noted it. The next time a support rep asks for your license or company identifier, you'll be ready in seconds. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share.